Hi, I'm Dr. Jim DeBlasi, Earth Wellness Center, and I've been in practice now since 1978. And in a previous video, I explained a little bit about sick care versus health wellness care. Now, sick care is waiting until you're broken down, and the other is trying to prevent the breakdown in the first place. See, God created us to be self-healing organisms. You don't have to tell your stomach to digest food after you eat. You don't have to tell your heart to beat. You don't have to tell your lungs to breathe in air and then distribute that into the blood vessels. If you cut your finger, it automatically begins to heal. If this didn't happen, there would be no one in the world today. Think how people survived for thousands of years. Now, this video is about why it's important to receive chiropractic adjustments. Science has proven this over and over and over again, hundreds if not thousands of studies, that when a nerve is irritated or pinched, the place that nerve goes to has a problem. An analogy would be like your house's electricity is knocked out due to a storm. You can't use your lights, your electric oven, or your 60-inch television. Now, your spine is like that. When a nerve is irritated or pinched, we feel pain. See, that's the way your body's yelling at you to tell you something is wrong. However, something else is also taking place. An organ, gland, or some system in your body is also negatively affected. If you look at the screen right now, you're going to see that C7 that's in the neck, lower portion, is out of place. So you're probably going to have neck pain and shoulder pain, maybe a headache. But look at where else it goes, your thyroid and your lungs. If your sacrum is out of place, so let's go all the way to the bottom, your tailbone, that's affecting your large intestines, your bladder, and your sexual organs. Yes, men would have erectile dysfunction. Women can have hormonal problems or can't become pregnant. But look what happens when the first vertebra goes out. Everything. Now, you're lucky because I'm one of probably only 120 doctors who knows a special technique that helps realign that vertebra. In fact, I have a brochure that lists what science has shown with all those nerves, and you can come to the office and get one. Again, I don't want you to wait until you get sick or get a disease. You'll save time, money, and stress, and of course, aggravation. Now, in the next few months, I'm going to be explaining new and exciting things that we're bringing into the office because I want my patients to stay well. I've been doing a lot more studying and training for this. And some of you already know because I already told them I'm so excited about it. And I want to reverse the present horrible health statistics. So let me show you something while I'm using a light bulb. So here is a light bulb, and in this hand, I have a dimmer switch. So I'm going to turn the light on all the way. And as you can see, that light is on. But what happens if I use the dimmer switch? Less and less electricity is getting through, and that bulb is becoming less and less effective. See, when this is working like it should, you're in the room, you can read, do what you need to do. But when it's like this, no, maybe even like, can I see? There you go. How about maybe like that? If this room was pitch dark, I don't know how much you're going to be able to see. But that's how the organs are received. You see, those nerves that are pinched or irritated are going to those different organs, like we mentioned before. And C1, that one that's so special, it affects the entire system. It affects your entire body. So C2, one vertebra, just one vertebra below, only affects your nasal passages, your sinuses, your brain as far as headache, and your eyes. Look at that. One vertebra is so important. Now, yes, years ago when I was in school, there was a technique that was taught. A lot of chiropractors should know that technique, but it is not as effective as this other technique that I learned about 13 years ago. We have made miracles. I have patients that drive hours just to get to see me. No one else is doing it. And it all started for me because of my youngest son who got hurt, and nothing that I could do was helping him. I brought him to other chiropractors, other friends of mine, other doctors, medical doctors, etc. Nobody can help him. But guess what happened when I learned this technique? His life changed. Today he's 23. This happened when he was about 10 years old. So please call, let us know how we can, let us know what's going on. How can we help you? Again, I'm Dr. Jim DeBlasi. My office is the Ackworth Wellness Center, and the telephone number 770-974-2405. I pray that you do well and stay well. Thank you, and please have a very, very pleasant day.